of life. Meet the Provovilles. Meet the Provovilles. Provovilles. It's just a day in the life. Meet the Provovilles. Meet the Provovilles. It's just a day in the life. Meet the Provovilles. Meet the Provovilles. Meet the Provovilles. It's just a day in the life. Meet the Provovilles. Meet the Provovilles.
Hello, Monsoon 2016. Get up, mom. Wow. Monsoon 2016. There it is. Oh, you're not dropping?
Close it. Daddy's gonna fly away.
Get in on mommy's side. No, get in right there. You can get in right there. This umbrella ain't shit. There it is though. And it's still hot as hell.
Daddy, you leave me there when those flies.
We don't have the speed.
Huh?
Come to your daddy. I'll come to your daddy.
I need to get traction.
You don't need to get nothing. You just want to get it because.
No, this is when it's at its worst because there's oil spills on the ground. Do you know that? Like, that's the most dangerous part of driving when the rain freshly gets on the ground because it hasn't washed away the oils from the cars that sit.
Yes, I know that. I do know that. Hi, handsome. So, yeah, we were going, originally was the plan to go to lunch, but we didn't know it was going to do this right now, at this time. Yesterday,
Every time it has to rain, it's gonna get not clear.
yesterday it rained at like 5:30. It was. Look at this for
What are you doing?
You know what?
You came from.
Oh,
Every time there's rain, there's
right through.
traffic.
They should have did exactly.
No. Oh my God.
Y'all, these people out here just don't understand.
That's because they ain't got to renew their license for 60 years.
Yeah.
I wonder where is it coming from?
It's gotta be coming from back that way. Because you see how it slowed down. And see, it ain't even fully cloudy over here yet. I mean, like.
But if you look over there, they probably don't even have it yet.
That's what I'm saying. Like, it's coming from like our way. So yeah, this is our plan. We was planning to come down in the rain, but
Wind blowing. Like this monsoon, y'all. Hopefully, I can get the dust storms on camera for y'all.
Please, I hope there's not
But
rain.
if we don't get none for the rest of the year, look up Haboob. Haboob. Y'all would think the world is going to an end. Yeah.
You know, you can just go.
it's going to
the
an end or
desert.
coming to the end.
That too. Like,
Dad, you know, we can just go to the
So
desert.
yeah, we about to go. We
we
gonna
in the
go to Corral
desert.
to eat.
The real
Say
desert.
lunch.
Pooh, this is the real desert. You want to go to the desert?
baby. She been moving all day, y'all. Like, when I say all day,
Until she gets ready to see her.
she don't move for her daddy. She still don't move for her daddy and her brother, but you know, she been up in there having a party.
Sandy type of desert.
The sandy? I'm going to take you
talking
to the
about
sandy.
actual- yeah,
No,
that's
I'm going to take you to the
He like,
the
this
sandy.
ain't the desert. You
This
guys.
is, yeah. I ain't dropping y'all off. You going to walk the same distance as me.
Y'all see how rude he is?
I hope that old lady, though. God gonna give me like 5 points for that.
Yeah, we about to go. I got to get out in the rain.
I'm giving you
Ooh,
0.
it's coming down.
Sideways.
I feel like, who is that? What was him? What was his name? They had rain that came from up. They had the downward rain. They had the sideways aim. Hell, it was raining from every direction. that?
Daddy,
don't
say
know.
that. Do that voice
The
again.
same movie that had
Daddy, do that
shrimp
voice
stew,
again.
That's what I was
salad,
gonna say. Forrest Gump.
shrimp pasta. Yeah, he said they even had sideways rain. They had the rain that looked like it was coming up from the puddles. They had the upside down rain. They had the horizontal rain. Hell, they even had the rain that was going over there. What?
Even diagonal.
The diagonal rain.
Alright, y'all. So we done eating. The rain has stopped. And now we are walking around Walmart. What are you doing? Who are you looking at like that? Huh? Huh? Oh, so you just gonna ignore me?
Daddy, do.
Look.
Huh?
Yeah.
Y'all see that?
You think I'm gonna make it?
Nope. Rejected.
Oh, I should have got this yesterday. Four packs for free.
You should have, but guess what you did?
You know what, y'all? He about to make me wring his neck. So what we're doing is walking around.
Now we can play basketball while mommy drives the car.
Well, mom drives me crazy.
And I'm going to get me some smart
Try
water
to get the ball.
while we here.
Dad, try to get the ball.
You got it? Lunch was good. I'm super cool.
For now.
Yeah, for now.
Daddy, try to not have
The bean
put on
is happy for now because she up in there moving, y'all. And she moving a tad bit much right now. She be all in the spots she ain't supposed to be in.
Lie, I'm back.
That's smart water, cool. Your naked face.
Regular water.
With your naked face. He's gonna shave all his facial hair off, looking like a little boy.
No, what if I
Makes no sense.
found them?
It ain't me.
It is you.
It's Bean. How many you getting?
However many I can reach.
Well, that's it. 5.
You usually eat 5. You usually drink 5 like every day.
Thanks for knowing my schedule.
I know because I'm the one at home with you.
Will ya?
So I know everything about you.
You know everything about you? Do you? This kid.
You're messed up now, y'all.
What you get?
Bean, y'all have an acquired taste for blue water now.
But that's not water.
Yeah, it is.
It's not.
Regular water just doesn't cut it.
She's your princess.
Oh, man.
Diva. Before she breathes fresh air.
All my women's independent women. That part, I just want the paper. That part, all my women flavor. That part, that part, that part, that part.
I am about to cook dinner first time. So Daddy's gonna show me how to cook. Then he's probably gonna show me a lot of times until I get how I get it to now how I know how to do it. So that's probably it.
Alright, so first we're gonna get our seasonings. We both washed our hands.
Daddy, I separated the type, then we won't get any mixed things up. But these are not the same, they're different type of stuff. But they're still the same color, different stuff, same color, and a little bit left, different color, but none of these match it.
Alright, y'all, so
So,
got the chicken. Ayden's gonna season. Go ahead and sprinkle the seasoning. Try to go this way. Let it shake it. So you can get all of it. Do this one. Same thing. That aside. Shake it. Not straight up. Down. That aside. Shake it.
I like this.
This one, we're only going to do a little bit because we don't want it too salty. We're going to go super fast on all of them. Get a little bit of the pepper.
You don't want to put too much for me to burn, so don't put too much on this one. So, this one or this one next?
This one.
Oh, I got a little seasoning on me.
Just a little bit.
So when you take it off, you wipe that off. Can I do it?